Chris, last year, between you and myself, if we took our base miles flown, we did literally over 500,000 miles around the world, multiple times, all different directions, missing each other at airports and just doing that. Not because we want to do that and be away from our families, it's just the nature of our business. And overnight we went from a local manufacturing type company to a global company with manufacturing and partners around the world. So to go from that to almost at the halfway point in 2020, given the pandemic and everything, it's a crazy contrast to basically have flown 0 miles this year, or a few, to what we did last year.
Probably the biggest thing we've prided ourselves on over the years is just our customer service, right? Our responsiveness, our ability to drop everything and work as hard as we can to right any wrong or whatever it may be, but just to service the hell out of any customer we have, right? And part of that is that travel. Whether it's a meeting, we'll be there tomorrow. If there's a potential issue or a question, troubleshooting needed, we'll be there tomorrow. I'll be on a plane there. I'll be on a plane here.
You see this? That's why I have it up over our wall. That's the first year when we launched. That's a backpack that we each had. And that year we did a little less. We did about 200,000 miles each. But that represents what we do. You got a problem on a Thursday and it's in London, we will be there Sunday night to be there Monday. And that's kind of been our mentality all along, right. And it will continue. But now it's just more of a virtual approach to meet their needs, It's almost shifted us in
I don't want to necessarily say a better way, but it's made us respond in a different way, right? So now we're Skype calling with electrical contractors, right? We have the electricians on the phone. We have the laborers on the phone. We're trying to troubleshoot things like that. We're on site working with installs and explaining how to install these massive one-off, custom chandeliers that we would typically be overseeing the entire time during installation. We're now doing that remotely, right? Absolutely. Where we essentially have one of their laborers holding up a camera so we can talk with the electrician and walk them through how it all gets put together.
And it's acceptable. It's accepted now. It's the norm. It's not, hey, we're not getting on a plane. It's become the norm. But it's beautiful to be able to shift from that and still have that mindset.